Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best indoor pizza ovens of 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best indoor pizza ovens of 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Presto 03434 Pizzaz Plus Rotating Oven is an excellent solution for fast, convenient, and evenly cooked meals right on your countertop. Designed for up to 12-inch pizzas, this stylish green and gold appliance uses a unique rotating tray that ensures consistent heating without hot spots. Its dual top and bottom heating elements can be controlled independently, giving you the flexibility to crisp the crust, melt cheese perfectly, or finish your pizza just the way you like it. The Nonstick removable tray makes cleanup quick and hassle-free, while the compact design saves valuable kitchen space. Ideal for frozen, fresh, or homemade pizzas. It also works great for snacks like quesadillas, cookies, garlic bread, and more, with energy-efficient operation and simple controls. The Presto Pizzaz Plus Rotating Oven delivers delicious results without preheating, making mealtime faster and easier than ever. A practical upgrade for any kitchen. Number 2. Upgrade your kitchen with the Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven, a versatile 1440W countertop powerhouse designed for every meal. With its spacious 12-inch nonstick cooking plates, you can effortlessly craft perfectly crisp pizzas, golden quesadillas, fluffy omelets, and more, all in minutes. Its fast-heating technology ensures even cooking every time, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Compact yet powerful, this multifunctional appliance is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or busy households looking for convenience without compromising taste. From a quick breakfast omelet to a cheesy homemade pizza, the Chefman Everything Maker handles it all with precision. Safe, easy to use, and built to last, it transforms everyday cooking into a fun, stress-free experience. Elevate your meals, save time, and enjoy the ultimate all-in-one cooking solution with the Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. Your ticket to delicious, homemade meals anytime. Number 3. Elevate your home cooking with the Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer Toaster, a versatile 1800W countertop multi-cooker designed for ultimate convenience and performance. Combining the functions of a pizza oven, air fryer, and toaster, this all-in-one appliance lets you prepare your favorite meals quickly and efficiently. Its built-in pizza stone ensures perfectly crispy crusts every time, while digital controls provide precision cooking with ease. Choose from 6 preset cooking modes to effortlessly bake, toast, air fry, roast, broil, or reheat, making it ideal for busy mornings, weeknight dinners, or casual entertaining. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop, while the spacious interior accommodates pizzas, sandwiches, vegetables, and more. Compact yet powerful, it delivers restaurant-quality results without taking up excessive space. Upgrade your culinary routine with the Gourmia Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer Toaster and enjoy delicious, evenly cooked meals at the push of a button. Number 4. Elevate your home cooking with the Big Horn Outdoors 14-inch electric countertop pizza oven, designed for pizza lovers who crave authentic, restaurant-quality results. With 6 versatile cooking modes, this powerful oven heats up to an impressive 800-degree F, ensuring perfectly crisp crusts and evenly melted toppings every time. Its innovative flip-up design provides easy access to your pizza, while maintaining consistent heat for flawless baking. Compact yet efficient, this indoor pizza maker fits seamlessly on your countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or entertaining friends and family. From classic margarita to loaded deep dish creations, the Big Horn Outdoors Pizza Oven handles it all with precision and ease. Durable, stylish, and user-friendly, it combines speed and performance in one sleek appliance. Turn your home into a pizzeria and enjoy fresh, gourmet-quality pizzas whenever you desire. The perfect addition to any culinary enthusiast's kitchen. Number 5. Elevate your pizza-making experience with the current Model P Smart Electric Pizza Oven. Designed for pizza enthusiasts and home chefs alike, this 12-inch powerhouse reaches an impressive 850-degree F, delivering perfectly crisp crusts and evenly melted toppings every time. With 5 versatile cooking modes, you can effortlessly prepare everything from Neapolitan-style pizzas to artisan flatbreads, calzones, and even desserts. Stay in control with Smart App connectivity, allowing you to monitor temperature in real time and customize cooking times with precision, ensuring consistently restaurant-quality results at home. The compact, sleek design fits seamlessly on your countertop, while the high-performance heating system guarantees fast cooking without compromising flavor. Whether you're hosting friends, experimenting with gourmet toppings, or simply enjoying a cozy pizza night, the current Model P Smart Electric Pizza Oven makes every bake effortless, fun, and delicious. Bring the taste of authentic wood-fired pizza into your kitchen and turn every meal into a culinary masterpiece.